first, all new tonight, busting through that evidence backlog. North Carolina Attorney General Stein is calling on state legislators to step up funding so investigators can finally start testing thousands of rape kits that are sitting stagnant.
A sexual assault survivor told our Brianna Harper it's an essential step to getting people justice, and she's sharing her story in hopes that others aren't waiting as long as she did for answers.
An evening walk in uptown Charlotte suddenly became a brutal attack.
It was very violent. He brandished a weapon and he strangled me repeatedly.
Krista Maiden still recalls the trauma from that 2015 assault.
I thought he was going to kill me. I remember thinking, this man cannot do this to anyone else.
Her mission, justice, just as North Carolina Attorney General Stein hopes to find too.
We owe it to those people to test their kits and try to put that rapist behind bars.
In 2019, the state legislature passed the Survivors Act, awarding $6 million to help tackle the rape kit backlog. And at the time, more than 16,000 kits were still waiting to be tested. Now that number has been nearly cut in half, but we're told there's still more work to be done.
What we need is more funds from the General Assembly in order to finish the job.
Stein now requesting $9 million along with 12 more scientists, which he says could help make all the difference.
The great news is when we test these kits, we solve cold cases.
As for Maiden, it took more than 2 years for the results of her rape kit to be tested and a DNA match found.
It just felt like an eternity. It was really difficult waiting.
Unfortunately, her attacker was indicted but never prosecuted due to a lack of additional evidence, according to the district attorney. Maiden now believes testing the rape kits is just the start.
To put that evidence to use, you've got to have law enforcement that's knowledgeable in how to properly interview a victim and how they need to understand, what comes along with trauma.
Brianna Harper, WCNC, Charlotte.